Good morning, students. Today in Maths we are continuing with our lesson number 5, operations on rational numbers, with practice at 23. I hope you all must have completed with practice at 22. In this practice at 23, children, we are going to learn how to find out the rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. Here the two given numbers may be having the numbers may be with the same denominators or the numbers with the different denominators. Okay, so now here our first sub question is 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. If you see that, children, here both the fractions, that is 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7, have the same denominator. So when it is same denominator, children, we can easily we can find it out. That is, we write the solution as 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. After that, children, you know that now here the 7 is same, the denominator is same. You just have to worry about, you have to see the numerator, that is 2 and 6. Now you know that, children, since this 2 upon 7 is less than 3 upon 7, this 3 upon 7 is less than 4 upon 7, and 4 upon 7 is less than 5 upon 7, and 5 upon 7 is less than 6 upon 7. Therefore, the numbers that lie between 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 are 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. Now students, have a second sub question is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Here you can see that, children, here the two numbers are with the different denominators. So first what we have to do, we have to convert these numbers into equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means the numbers with the fractions with the equal denominators. So we will start our solution as 4 upon 5, 2 upon 3. Now children, what we will do, we will multiply this 4 upon 5 with 6. Okay, so that we get here 24 upon 30. Okay, it is 4 6 is 24, 5 6 is 30. And similarly, here also 2 upon 3, denominator we want to have 30. So I multiply this 3 with 10, and similarly here also this 2 with 10. So I get here 20 upon 30. Okay, now you know that, since, children, this 24 upon 30 and 20 upon 30, you know that this 20 upon 30 is less than 21 upon 30, and 21 upon 30 is less than 22 upon 30, and 22 upon 30 is less than 23 upon 30, and 23 upon 13 is less than 24 upon 30. So children, you can see that 20 upon 30 means it is 2 upon 3, and 24 upon 30 means it is 4 upon 5. So between these 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3, these are the three numbers which are lying in between. So we will write, therefore, the 3 rational numbers between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 are 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. So now students, our third sub question is minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Now here these two numbers are the numbers with the different denominators. So first step, what, children, when with the numbers are with the different denominators, we have to convert it into equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction means the fractions with the equal denominators. So we will start the solution as writing the question as it is. Then what we will do, children, I will multiply this minus 2 upon 3 with 5, right, and this 4 upon 5 with 3. Let us see what we get. Minus 2 upon 3 multiplying with 5, and this 2 upon 3 also multiply with 5. So what I get, minus 2 into 5 is minus 10 upon 3 5 is 15. Okay, so this is over. Now let us come to this one, 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 I have to multiply with 3. So here also 3, here also 3. So I get here 12 upon 15, children. So now you can see that this minus 10 upon 15 means it is 2 upon 3, and 12 upon 15 means it is 4 upon 5. So you can, since you know that, children, this minus 10 upon 15 is less than minus 9 upon 15, Okay, on the number line if you see, then minus 9 upon 15 is less than minus 8 upon 15, and minus 8 upon 15 is less than minus 7 upon 15. Likewise, these numbers are less than 11 upon 15 is less than 12 upon 15. Now you can see that children, there are so many numbers are appearing in between minus 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. So you can write any three numbers. So we will be writing, therefore, the three rational numbers between minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are minus 9 upon 15, minus 7 upon 15 and 3 upon 15. Within this numbers we have to write. We don't have to go beyond this. Okay. So the numbers which I have written may not be it will be same for you. You can write any three numbers between these numbers. Followed, children? Now students, our fourth sub question is 7 upon 9 comma minus 5 upon 9. Here these two numbers are with the equal denominators, right? So here we don't have to convert it into equivalent fractions. Okay. So we will start our solution, that is 7 upon 9 comma minus 5 upon 9. Since children, you know that this 7 upon 9 is greater than 6 upon 9, and 6 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 9, and 5 upon 9 is greater than 4 upon 9. Right? So likewise you see on the number line, you have minus 4 upon 9 is greater than minus 5 upon 9. So we see that there are so many numbers which is appearing between 7 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Therefore, the three rational numbers between 7 upon 9 and minus 5 upon 9 are, children, you can write any three numbers. Okay, 6 upon 9, 4 upon 9, minus 4 upon 9. Is that clear? Now students, our fifth sub question is minus 3 by 4 and 5 upon 4. Now here these two fractions are the fractions with equal denominators. So here we don't have to convert it into equivalent fractions. Okay, children. So we will begin with our solution as minus 3 upon 4 comma 5 upon 4. Now see children, you know that since the denominators are same, so directly we can start as this minus 3 upon 4 is less than minus 2 upon 4, and minus 2 upon 4 is less than minus 1 upon 4, and minus 1 upon 4 is less than 0, and this 0 is less than 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 is less than 2 upon 4. Likewise, if you see, we get 5 upon 4. Okay, so that means children, we get these many numbers are between minus 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 4. So therefore, we can write any three numbers between these two numbers. Okay, so therefore, the three rational numbers between minus 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 4 are minus 1 upon 4 comma 0 comma 2 upon 4. Any numbers you can write, children. Okay. Now students, our sixth sub question is 7 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 3. Now here these two numbers are of the numbers with the different denominators. So what we have to do, we have to convert these numbers into fractions with equal denominators. So what we have to do, children, first we will have the solution as 7 upon 8 comma minus 5 upon 3. So to convert this, children, what I will be doing, I will be multiplying the 7 upon 8 with 3 and minus 5 upon 3 with 8. So let us start now. 7 by 8 multiplying with 3. Here also multiply with 3. So I get here 21 upon 24 comma, and for here minus 5 upon 3 I will be multiplying with what? 8. So I get here minus 40 upon 24. Now children, since you know that 1 upon 24 is equals to 7 upon 8 and minus 40 upon 24 is equals to minus 5 upon 3. So that means children, you know that since this 21 by 24 is greater than 20 by 24 and 20 by upon 24 is greater than 19 upon 24 and 19 upon 24 is greater than 18 upon 24. Likewise, you see children, we get the numbers which has, that is 39 minus 39 upon 24 is greater than minus 40 upon 24. So that means we get a more numbers between minus 21 numbers between 21 upon 24 to minus 40 upon 24. So we have to choose any three numbers between these numbers. Okay, so what we will be writing? We will be writing as, therefore, the three rational numbers between 7 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 3 are, choose any number children, not necessary that mine and your answers are same only. Okay, so I will be writing 20 upon 24, then comma 17 upon 24, comma minus 19 upon 24. Is that clear children? Students, our 8th sub question is 0 comma minus 3 upon 4. So we will start the solution as 0 comma minus 3 upon 4. Now children, when we want to find the numbers between the 0 and minus 3 by 4, on the number line we will be having only two numbers, that is minus 2 upon 4 and minus 1 upon 4. But we want to find three numbers. Okay, so what I will be doing children, I will be converting these numbers into equivalent fractions. So here we have only 0. 0 means it is 0 upon 1. Okay, and here we have minus 3 upon 4. So this minus 3 upon 4 children, what I will be doing, I will be multiplying with 2. Okay, so if I multiply with 2, what I will be getting children? I will be getting at the denominator 8. Okay, so first let me start with 0. The 0 means it is 0 upon 1. So I will multiply with what? I will multiply with 8. So here I get 0 into 8 is 0 and 1 8 is 8. Okay, and here this minus 3 upon 4 children, I will be multiplying with 2. Okay, so here I will get here minus 6 upon 8 and here I will minus 6 upon 8. Now children, you know that since this minus 6 upon 8 is less than minus 5 upon 8, okay, and minus 5 upon 8 is less than minus 4 upon 8 and minus 4 upon 8 is less than minus 3 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 8 is less than minus 2 upon 8. Like on the number line, if you see children, the right side of the, as we go towards the right, the numbers are increasing. Okay, and minus 2 upon 8 is less than minus 1 upon 8 and minus 1 upon 8 is less than 0 upon 8. Okay children, so we get these many numbers between minus 6 upon 8 and 0 upon 8. Okay, so therefore the three rational numbers between 0 and minus 3 by 4 are minus 5 by 8, minus 3 by 8, comma, minus 1 by 8. Is that clear?